Hello students, this is also a very important problem, more than 2-3 times asked in Vishweshwara Technological University VTU. So here a cylinder A of diameter 200 mm. So this is cylinder A and this is cylinder B. Cylinder A of diameter 200 mm. Therefore radius will become, so dA equals 200. Therefore radius of A equals 200 by 2 100 mm. 100 mm, and a radius and cylinder B of diameter 300. Diameter is 300. Therefore radius of B equals 300 by 2 150 mm. 150 mm. Are placed in a through. This is a through rectangle through inclined through as shown in figure. If cylinder A weighs 800 Newton, this A weighs 800 Newton and cylinder B weighs 1200 Newton and this weighs 1200 Newton. Determine the reactions at contact surfaces. First identify how many contact surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 contact surfaces. I am naming it as P, Q, R, S. I have to determine reaction at P, RP, RQ, RR, RS. RP, RQ, RR, RS. So out of this how many inclined? So this is inclined, we know that this is also inclined. This radius and this radius not in the same line. So this is also inclined. So we have to determine this inclination as well as this is known, because if you drop like this is also 45, drop the perpendicular, you are getting 90 minus 45, 45 degree. It's very easy. But this one we have to determine using triangle concept. How to determine? So take the radius. So this is radius A is here. You take somewhere here, radius B is here. Join these two radiuses. So this is RA plus RB. What is radius of A? 100 plus 150. It will become 250 mm. 100 plus 150, it will become 250 mm. Join this. So and this total distance is known. Therefore, how to compute this distance? So that is 450 minus, see, I want only this much. So 450 minus RA minus RB. So 450 minus RA is 100, minus RB is 150. So 450 minus 250. It will become 200 mm. So we are having the triangle like this. So we can determine this theta. This is 250 and this is 200. Take cos theta. So if you take cos theta, so cos theta equals adjacent by hypotenuse. So 200 by 250. Theta equals cos inverse of 200 by 250. What is theta value?
36.86.
Theta equals 36.86 over. So this angle is 36.86. Now write the free body diagram. This is sphere A. Somewhere here sphere B. So first is purely horizontal, RP, and its weight 800 Newton, and one more force. This is RQ. And the angle is this one. If we just determine this angle, so then whatever the angle, that is also same. So this theta is 36.86 RQ RP. Next here you are getting same angle 36.86 and the weight is 1200 Newton, and also one more horizontal RR, PQ, R, and S is inclined. So drop a perpendicular. If you drop perpendicular, it will come like this, and this is 45 degree. So 90 minus 45. This is also 45 degree, and this is RS. This is the free body diagram for sphere A as well as for sphere B. Now we just observing this. Sphere A is having how many forces? 1, 2, 3 forces, 2 reactions and 1 unknown force. Sphere B is 1, 2, 3, 4 forces. So which is having least number of forces? So sphere A is having least number of forces. So start solving by applying Lami's on sphere A. So consider sphere A. If you consider sphere A, it's very easy to apply Lami's 800 Newton RQ I will take this side, RP whatever I will take this side, whatever the horizontal inclination, the same 36.86 plus 90. So total 36.86 plus 90, 126.86. 126.86, and this is 90 degree quadrant. No. So what is the remaining angle? 360 minus 90 minus 126.86.
143.14.
143.14.
14.
143.14. Now apply Lami's. Lami's theorem. RQ divided by sin of 90. Sin of 90, which is equal 800 divided by sin of 143.14, which is equal RP divided by sin 126.86. Now compare these two things, you are getting RQ. Compare these two things, you are getting RP. So RQ equals, if you want RQ equals, just cross multiply this, 800 into sin 90 divided by sin 143.14. So it is the value of RQ. Similarly, if you want RP equal 800 multiplied by sin 126.86 divided by sin 143.14. What is the value of RP? RQ is
1333.
1333. 1333. Yes.
0.64.
1333.6 Newton. Next, RP 800 into sin 126.86 divided by sin 143.14. Sin 143.14. How much?
140. 1067.
Yes, 1067.0, which means 1067 Newton. RQ and RP is over. Next, consider sphere B. Sphere B. For sphere B, write the free body diagram. Whatever here R. Here you are having 1200 Newton. 1200 Newton. One more, this is RS 45 degree, and one more you are having, that is RQ. The angle is 36.86. Now RQ value is known. RQ value is 133.6 Newton. 6 Newton. Resolve inclined forces, because you are having four forces at point C. Hence you cannot apply at point sphere B. You cannot apply Lami's theorem. We go for equations of statics. So resolve this. So you are getting 133.6 sin 36.6. So 133.6 cos 36.6. Here RS cos 45. Vertical is RS sin 45 over. This is the free body diagram. Now apply equations of statics. Sigma fx equals 0 and sigma fy equals 0. If you apply sigma fx equals 0, you are having sign convention. All right side forces are positive and all left side forces are negative. So you have how many horizontal forces? 1, 2, 3 horizontal forces. How many vertical forces? 1, 2, 3 vertical forces. So first you take horizontal forces. So minus RR plus 133.6 cos 33.6 plus R5 cos 45 equals 0. 1, 2, 3. So here two unknowns, therefore cannot be solved. Take equation number 1. Next apply sigma if y equals 0, For this, all upward forces are positive, all downward forces are negative. Totally, how many vertical forces? 1, 2, 3. So we are getting minus 200 plus R5 sin 45. Next, minus 133 minus 133.6 sin 33.6 equals 0. So here if you want R5, so R5 equals, take that side, 1200 plus 1333.6 sin 33.6 divided by sin 45. So compute the value of R5. 1200 plus 1333.6 sin 33.6 divided by sin 45.
2740.
2740 Newton. Now substitute this value to equation number 1. You are getting RR. RR equals, you just substitute the value, you take on that side, it will become, both will become minus will minus cancel, it will become plus only. So you just do the sum. 1333.6 cos 33.6 plus 2740 cos 45
Cos 33.6
plus 2740 cos 45
plus 2740.
plus 2740 cos 45.
Cos 3048.25.
3048 Newton. You just add these two, because if you take on that side it will become minus will become cancels, so it is also positive value. So R, you just take PQ RS, this is S not phi, this is S RS. So this is the problem regarding computation of reaction, RP, RQ, RR and RS. It's very simple. Just observe the problem, identify the contact surfaces. So if it is horizontal or vertical, fine. If it is inclined contact surface, determine the inclination angle using triangle and simple trigonometric functions. Draw the free body diagram. Observe each sphere or cylinder separately. Which cylinder is having least number of forces? Identify here 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Consider least. If it is Lami's, if 3 forces are there, construct 3 mutually perpendicular points from a single concurrent force system. Find the angles, apply Lami's, determine the forces. Next, whatever you require, consider another free body diagram. If it is more than 3 forces, we cannot apply Lami's. We go for equations of statics or equations of equilibrium. For concurrent force system, there are 2 equations of equilibrium. Sigma fx equals 0 and sigma fy equals 0. First write the free body diagram, resolve inclined forces, apply sigma fx equals 0, sigma fy equals 0, determine the unknown forces. This is regarding to solve this kind of very simple problems. Thank you.